Hi there! Are you looking for a budget fitness band or a smartwatch with accurate tracking and a month-long battery life? Yeah, you heard me right. 1 month battery. Then the Amazfit BIP S Lite should fit perfectly in that category. It's priced at just $3,799. Clearly unmatchable at this price point. What are we waiting for? Let's unbox it, know all about it. But before we begin, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss an update. Also follow me on my social media handles for more tech info. This is your friend Singh. Let's get started. Here is the retail packaging of the Amazfit BIP S Lite. Here's a picture of the watch, some of the features written on the side, always on color display, water resistant up to 50 meters, lightweight, it's got a heart rate sensor, app notifications, multi-sport tracking, long lasting battery. Alright, on the back there are some more details. It says it supports Bluetooth 5.0, it supports Android and all versions of iOS. Alright, let's quickly open this. Alright, right on the top here is the watch. This is a sticker on the top, so don't be fooled by that, but this is how the wallpaper should look like. Let's keep it aside. That looks like a proprietary charger, so you can see here, so this loop is going to show us where exactly the watch is going to set because of this. So there you go, it's fit. So make sure you take care of this charger, because if you lose this, you're not going to be able to charge your Amazfit BIP S Lite. And some paperwork, my god, big book. So let's move all this aside and have a closer look at the watch. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is remove the sticker. Oh, it's already actually turned on. Okay, so physical overview first. It's a nice strap, nice buckle strap here, you can see. Nice. Okay, very rectangular shape. Gives an illusion of an Apple Watch, in fact. And that's something we've seen with all the BIP S series. It's made of plastic, mostly made of plastic. It's got a physical tactile button here and there. It's got a backlit display as well. Let's open it up. Okay, nice soft silicone straps. Wow, very nice. Nice. And the best part is that you can replace these straps with any third-party bands as well. There you can see there's a hook here. You click this open and you can actually put any third-party 22mm straps on this. So you can see the back is made of plastic, though the build quality is really nice. And here are the charging terminals. Here's the heart rate sensor. Really nice. And I'd also like to tell you guys that this is 50 meters water resistant, so you can wear it for a shower, in the gym, in the rain, and even in the swimming pool, and you don't have to worry about it. Right, let's wear this and see. So this is one reason why I've always preferred these loop kind of designs, because they fit everyone perfectly. Wow. And not only perfectly, they also get a very good grip. Wow. I'm sure you guys know this gives an illusion of an Apple Watch. Really nice. So we've turned this on. So before we move any further, let's set it up. It says English and you need the Amazfit app to continue. So let's do that first. Installing the Amazfit app, and this will work on Android as well as on an iPhone. So once you're done, come and pair it. Go to watch with a QR code. There you go. It's connecting. So I installed the Amazfit app and paired my watch, and now we have an update that is coming, and let's see after the update how it works. And there you go, we're ready. So now let's have a closer look at the display. So this is a 1.28 inch trans-reflective display with a resolution of 176 by 176 pixels. So the trans-reflective display is the reason you get 30 days of battery life on this. It's always on, but battery consumption is absolutely negligible. It's the other biggest advantage is outdoors, especially under direct sunlight. It's perfectly designed for that. It also has a backlight which can be turned on by pressing this button here, or also when you raise your wrist. But trust me, the backlight is needed just because you're seeing it now. But overall, even without this backlight, the display is totally viewable. It also has an anti-fingerprint coating. You can't see any fingerprint signs or anything. It doesn't get dirty. It remains absolutely clean. There you can see. Amazfit says you'll have over 150 watch faces, but initially it will come only with 40. The rest will come via an OTP update really soon. However, even 40 seem to be really good for now. Let's have a look at the interface and its features. Swipe from top, you get access to quick toggles, do not disturb, lock, brightness. You can adjust the brightness from here. What else? And this is music. So when this is paired to your phone and there is music playing on your phone, you can control play, forward, pause, and even the volume directly from your Amazfit BIP S Lite, which is amazing and comes extremely handy. You press this, you go back, swipe from down, you have notifications. All notification alerts will be here. If you swipe from the left, you have access to weather. Did you realize that the OS is so responsive and smooth? If you want to go back, there's also a shortcut. You can swipe from the left and it goes back. Here you have beats per minute. Check out the color reproduction. It's actually really impressive. Going back here, you have steps, distance, calories burned, and sessions. Alright, now when you press this button here, it takes you to the status, which will show you the same steps, distance, and calories. Heart rate. Heart rate will take you to beats per minute. PAI. Workout. When you go inside workout, you have outdoor running, treadmill, cycling, indoor cycling, freestyle, walking, elliptical trainer, yoga, workout history, and settings. So kind of good. The basic that all of us need. Weather, alarm. You can set alarms on this directly. Timer, music, settings. Watch face. Okay, something I'm sure a lot of you were interested to see. Watch face. So the best part about the watch face is you can customize them. You can customize them in what way? Even widgets. Usually there are watch faces that just remain the same, but here you have an option where you can change a certain part of it. There you go. You can change it from heart rate, to PAI, to weather. So you can leave the weather here. You can come here. You can change it to the from date to the weather, to humidity, to sunrise, to sundown, to ultraviolet radiation, to wind speed, to steps. Now suppose I like steps and weather and time. So I press this button, apply this watch face, click OK. There you go. So now I have time, weather, and steps. Perfect. So there are even a lot more watch faces here and a lot more through the app, which we will see in some time. But there are a couple of more that you can change even from here. There you go. And suppose you like one of these, like for example this, you click OK and there you are. And you can see that the color reproduction is really impressive. It's really, really good. So let's have a look at the Amazfit BIP app. And you can see it's very clean and it's very easy to understand. Right on the top, it's going to tell you the steps still needed to complete. And it also has sleep tracking. It's also got right now no data on sleep, heart rate, goal tracking. And here is where it'll show you your Amazfit BIP features, watch faces, and this is, I'm sure, something that all of you are waiting to see. There you go. There you go. Can you see the number of watch faces? Let me tell you, most of these custom watch faces will also reduce battery life. So kind of a disclaimer. Let's put this on and see. Sync watch face. Okay, there you go. Wow, actually that looks really good and nice. Okay, so there's so many. Apple fans, we've got something for you. Hold your breath. Wow. That looks just like an Apple Watch. I'm sure all of you will agree. Just like the Apple Watch. Amazing. So you can even unlock your phone using the Amazfit, where you give it permission. When your watch is around, it will not ask you for permission to unlock. It also has incoming. You have to give access. You'll get access to incoming phone calls. You also have app alerts, and only once you give them access will you be able to choose which apps you want notifications from and from which apps you don't. Coming to Find Watch, Discoverable, Bluetooth, band location, left hand or right hand, wrist info to view if you wanted to wake up the display, language, heart rate detection, run in background. There is so much on this that you're going to love it. It's an amazing app and you won't be needing anything more. It covers everything that you would want in a smartwatch or a smart band. Amazing. The display might not be its strongest point, considering many others around the same price point are providing vivid AMOLED displays. But actually it's one of the best parts about the BIP S Lite. Look at it this way. With BIP S Lite, you get always on display, 30 days battery life and accurate tracking. Clearly there is no competition in always on display and 30 days battery life. I haven't used this much, so I wouldn't like to talk about its accuracy about tracking, but just going by Amazfit's track record, it's one of the best when it comes to that. Always spot on. I'll make a detailed review covering about its tracking accuracy only after using it for a couple of weeks. Also, how about a comparison video with a Realme watch? Would you be interested to see that? Write down in the comments and let me know if you want to see that as well. The only shortcoming of the BIP S Lite is no built-in GPS, and that's exactly why it's so pocket-friendly. If you're someone like me who takes their phone with you for a run or walk, then that inbuilt GPS won't matter. The BIP S Lite is available in 3 colors: black, blue and pink. The pink is really subtle. I'm sure many girls are gonna love it. First flash sale is on 29th of July on Flipkart. I'll leave the links of all in the description. If excellent battery life, app notifications, accurate tracking are your priorities for a smart band or a smartwatch, then you should definitely buy the Amazfit BIP S. Grab it, guys. So I hope this video was helpful. Write down in the comments and let me know if there are any questions, what you'd like to see in the full review. Kindly mention them down and I'll be happy to make one on that. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.